It came down without the video camera recording it. It's down. It is big time down. But maybe my dad wanted it that way. It took too many attempts to try to get it down. But we did it. Fell perfectly. Wow. And it didn't even kill any trees. Maybe it got one. That's all right. Yeah! Oh! Okay, the Demolition men. No, I'm video recording. Why don't you give a brief description of what happened? Since I'm...
Vern, it took about 6 tries to get this shut down.
At least.
We got to take one.
Sturdy barn, sturdy shop.
Built well. All right. But we did get it.
Bravo. It's down.
Hey, 6:30, I figured I'd get out of here by 5.
Oh, no.
No problem.
You guys did
But
great.
This is only the beginning
Oh, my God, Tom, you guys.
of another project.
We got a lot of work.
Oh, that's still a lot of work.
Day before befores.
We're going to stay.
Oh, that's
The ones that haven't splintered.
the 2x8s are worth saving. But that's all.
But unfortunately, you missed the part where it went down.
Not treated.
That was the best part.
Not treated.
No.
And windows made out of wood.
Well, because they look pretty.
They don't last as long.
Thanks so much.
You drive the truck up. I'll take the wheelbarrow off.
All right. One workshop erected, one workshop torn down.